Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to adjust the sound on your page flips in Simplebooklet. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your dashboard and then select the Simplebooklet you'd like to work with, and then go to Configure Presentation, and that's represented as the Painter's palette at the bottom of your booklet right here. Click that, and then from there you're going to go to Page Flip, which is in the left-hand menu. And then you're going to go to Page Flip Sound, which is the third in the drop-down menu here, and click the pencil icon, the edit icon. Okay, so here you get your choices. You can choose, as you click through these, it'll make the sound. Hopefully that sound comes through for you. So you can choose between book, magazine, paper, and so forth. I quite like the card flip. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and press done, and then you will be able to hear the sound in your booklet. Here we go. Okay, thank you.